Hello students, welcome in Sohi's teaching channel. Today we are going to start our chapter number 1, chemical reactions and equations, and in this video we will discuss about the chemical reactions and observations for chemical reactions with the examples. So let's start. First of all, we have chemical reactions. When one, two or more than two chemicals react with each other and cause chemical change, this is called a chemical reaction. When one or more chemicals combine and they cause chemical changes, then we say it is a chemical reactions. Examples: for example, burning of magnesium. You can see in this diagram, in this picture, this is the burning of magnesium. Heating of the iron sulfate. Carbon, when it combined with oxygen, it is carbon dioxide. These are the examples of chemical reactions. Next we have, what are the observations for chemical reactions? How we can observe the chemical reactions? First of all, there is change in color. If we combine two or more chemicals and there is a change in color, then we can say this is a chemical reaction. Next is change in state. If any solid, liquid, gases interconvert, then we can also say this is the chemical reaction. Third point is evolution of gas. There is a production of gas. Number 4, change in temperature. Heat is absorbed, heat is released during the reaction. This is the observation. Fifth is formation of precipitates. What are precipitates? We will discuss later on in this video. And number 6, production of light, and 7th number is production of sound. These are the 7 observations for the chemical reactions. So let's explain each observation with examples. First we have change in color. For example, this is iron sulfate. This is iron sulfate. It is green in color. So when we heat the iron sulfate, it converts into brown color, Fe2O3. Two gases, SO2 and SO3. These are the suffocating smell gases these produce. So green color changes to brown, that means there is a change in color, that means it is a chemical reaction. Another example, it's a copper sulfate. You can see blue color copper sulfate. When we put iron nail in it, after some time it converts into a green color iron sulfate and copper is displaced. This is a change in color, so it is a chemical reaction. Number 2 is change in state. Carbon, it is a solid. When we combine it with oxygen, this is a gas, it produces carbon dioxide gas. So solid convert into gas, it means it is a chemical change. Same as it is magnesium, it is solid combined with oxygen, it gives magnesium oxide. Number 3 is evolution of gas. When zinc react with sulfuric acid, you can see in this diagram, the zinc metal react with sulfuric acid and produce the hydrogen gas. Zinc sulfate plus H2 gas. When the gas is produced, we can say this is a chemical reaction. Another example, calcium carbonate. When combined with HCl, it gives calcium oxide, carbon dioxide gas and water. So gas is produced in this case and this case also. That's why it is a chemical reaction. Number 4, this is the change in temperature. Change in temperature means either the heat is absorbed or heat is released. For example, calcium oxide. This is the calcium oxide. Calcium oxide. When we add water in it, then calcium hydroxide is formed and heat is produced. The beaker become hot. The beaker become hot. That means heat is produced. It means there is a chemical change. Same as it is iron oxide, Fe2O3, when combined with aluminium, heat is produced, it is also a chemical reaction. Carbon, carbon is coal. When coal is burnt in the presence of oxygen, it produces heat, it means it is a chemical reaction. Next we have formation of precipitate. These are the precipitates, right? So, example, sodium sulfate combined with barium chloride. The barium sulfate solid, barium sulfate precipitates are formed, white color precipitates are formed, so it is a chemical reaction. Another example, silver nitrate when combined with sodium chloride, it gives silver chloride. It's also precipitate, white color precipitate. So and sodium nitrate is formed. This is also a chemical reaction. So this is all about the chemical reactions and their observations. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. मिलते हैं next video. तब तक के लिए goodbye. Take care.